Hey guys, I want to take you through this project. This is one we just installed recently, and we get a lot of requests for corner offices. And so this is kind of a great example of one. So, in talking to the client, they wanted a 12 by 12 office, 107 inches tall. They wanted to have plenty of windows, so they went with a 3 window design and the locking door. And so, a lot of them that we do are 85 tall, but in this particular case, they wanted to go up a little bit higher, so we went to 107 inches tall. And let's look at some of the install pictures. Here is the outside of that, so very, very sharp. They had actually liked, when I sent them the install examples, they had liked the finishes of a previous install. So you can see they went with kind of a dark charcoal and then a nice complementary lighter gray. And here's the inside of that 12 by 12 office. So they have their existing desk. And like I said, it's nice because they got some natural light. So in the design, we planned around those windows that were part of the existing building. Here we go into what you can see from the inside. Again, you can see the 3 windows and then that nice stacking fabric panel. They decided to go with fabric for that top 22 inches. You could have done a different option there. Then here you've got the door, and they upgraded to a laminate door, wood finish door. So it had kind of a wood finish versus just the standard painted door. Here was something they added on their own. When they went with that 3 window design, they realized that the handle was going to be nicking up that one of those windows. So what was added was they went and got a door stop and added that. So anyway, we love how it turned out, and this is again one of the corner designs for a 12 by 12 cubicle with door.